Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. Today I'll be giving my living room a facelift. I've had the same decor for about 4 years, and honestly, I'm sick of it. So today I'll be showing you how I created this super cute geometric accent wall. I'll have everything I used in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Alright guys, to begin this video, I'll start by priming this poorly painted wall that I did about 4 years ago when I first moved into my apartment. I'm going to be using 2 quarts of paint that I purchased from Home Depot, and I'll go over this quite a few times with my roller, and then go in and fill in some areas with the paintbrush, and then I let it dry for about 2.5 to 3 hours before I went in and started sectioning off with my painter's tape. I'm not very particular, I don't care if my lines are straight or, things of that nature, but that's just my personal preference. It's your house. Do your thing. If you want super straight lines, go for it. But, I don't really care about all that. So anyway, so I'm just going in with my yellow, and I did do about 2 to 3 coats of yellow. I also purchased a quart of the yellow paint from Home Depot and a quart of the blue paint from Home Depot as well. And I did about 1 or 2 coats of that as well. And as I was working on this project, you guys, I would step back and look at it, and I was like, oh my gosh, like I don't like it. I really wasn't feeling it. I was like, my husband's gonna kill me. I don't spent all this money and I don't even like the project. But as I started peeling the tape away, I was like, oh my God, this is so cute. So wait to the end to see if you like it or not. And when I peeled my tape away, some of the white paint came off. So I just went ahead with a sample jar of paint or whatever that I got from Home Depot, and just kind of, fixed any mistakes. Some of the paint bled a little bit through the painter's tape, so I just fixed the mistakes, made the lines a little more sharper, and that is it. This is super cute. I absolutely love it. Fits my personality very well. And here I am attempting to rearrange my living room to, make my accent wall, I guess, like the focal point or whatever. But I really didn't see how I could rearrange my furniture so that I still have my little office space. So I'm still working on that. My house is still currently a mess. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I also started a group on Facebook, so go ahead and like the group where we could talk about the tutorials, answer any questions you guys may have, get a little more help if you guys may need it, and we can all just kind of chit chat. All right, so I'll see you guys next week.